Next is, where would Measure E money go? And I want to be very clear and transparent about this. It would go to restore the services that we need to adequate levels, and so that we can also have not only the appropriate levels, but also the highest quality. What I would recommend, should Measure E be approved, what I would recommend to the City Council is right here on this slide. I know it's a busy slide, so I want to go through it a little bit. But I also want to point out there's nothing in here that is extravagant. There's no Taj Mahal anything in here. This is about restoring services. So I want to make sure that we can maintain our emergency response times. I want to make sure that we have enough funding to put into our public safety services, including restoring our paramedic services. We want to restore our landscaping services so that we have proper maintenance cycles in our medians and our parkways, and proper cycles for our tree maintenance, as well as adequate watering in our parks and our landscaping. We want to secure our long-term financial sustainability, improve the city's ability to be self-sufficient in order to respond to crises and emergencies, which we're unable to do now. Want to restore proper maintenance of city parks and our other public spaces, restore neighborhood policing, which is one of the best ways to have our police department interact with our community, as well as continue, if we can get the funding, to increase our homeless intervention. Want to restore our various youth programs and seniors programs that we've had to cut drastically over the last 5 years. We can restore proper street paving cycles. We can start for the first time to properly maintain our alleys, and we can get funding bonded to address our seawalls issues. We can also increase our ability, again, to address homelessness. Also, we improve our ability to respond to public health crises such as the ones we're dealing with now, that we're having a tough time struggling with. So this slide here is what I would recommend. Again, I want to point out there's nothing here that is extravagant. This is about our ability to meet the demands of the city of this size and restoring services that have been cut again and again over prior years. We have been living within our means, but the consequence of that is the city is just degrading and everyone's unhappy, including staff and the city council.